Hello students, let's look at a past paper question from the NEET physics. Alright, the question is from average speed. Okay, a particle covers half of its total distance with speed v1 and the rest half distance with speed v2. Its average speed during the complete journey is, well, we have four options given here. Let's try to find out which option is the correct one here. Okay, let's assume the total distance by the particle is s and half is s by 2 and the second half is remaining half is s divided by 2. Now the speed that is traveling the first half is a v1 I am taking, the speed for the second half is a v2 I am taking, as well as the time taken for the first half is a t1 and the time taken for the second half is a t2. Now we shall look at average velocity formula or average speed formula is total distance divided by the total time. So average speed is total distance s and the total time is a t1 plus t2. Now we need to find out what is a t1 and what is a t2. Alright, t1 is a time. It should be distance divided by speed. So distance is s by 2 and the speed is a v1. So that should be s divided by 2v1. In the same way, t2 is equals to s divided by 2 times v2. Alright, now I can substitute t1 and t2 in our actual formula. So that should be distance s divided by s by 2v1 and again s divided by 2v2. So in the denominator I need to add these two terms, and for that I must go with the LCM calculation. Alright, the s divided by, and here the LCM should be 2 times v1 times 2 times v2. So that should be 2v1 and cancels 2v1, so that should be 2v2 times s plus 2v1 times s. That's what I use in my lower class mathematics skills. Alright, now if you simplify this one further, so total s divided by 2, s is a common from the numerator, so I'm taking 2s as a common here. That should be v1 plus v2. Right. So I can cancel 2 and 2 here, and also the s and s. On the terms in the numerator, on the terms in the denominator, which can shift to the numerator. So 2v1 v2 should go to numerator here, and then my answer is 2v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. The option is a C. It is option C in our options. So option C is our right answer.